Alright guys, I wanted to show you guys how you can load some of Kyle brushes that we talked about. If I go to this icon right here, here's the brush icon, you can see I've added a lot of those Kyle's brushes that we talked about. So a little review for you, how do you add Kyle's brushes, okay? So if I go over here and I type in tinyurl.com Kyle brush, that's a shortcut. It will take you to this page and then you can scroll and look at all the brushes that are available. You would click the blue download button, it will start downloading in the bottom of your Chrome browser. I left click and I drag it to my desktop. So then I know that it's on my desktop because otherwise it'll be like in your downloads folder. Then I'll go to Photoshop. I will left click on that. Okay. See where I call it my hamburger stack? I will left click on that and then we'll import brushes. Give it a second to work here. Then I'll go to my desktop and then I will look for watercolor brushes or whatever brush that you had selected. Hit open. I'm going to cancel this and then we'll populate right here on the side and you can scroll back and forth and check out which brush you're using. And that's how you do that.